Good evening, student. I hope you all covered your previous videos and understand properly. In this video, we will discuss about all the remaining parts of the adjective. So, start from distributive adjective. In distributive adjective, the distributive adjective shows some distribution. The word which describes the person or a thing taken from a group at a time is called distributive adjective. It means the word which shows the distribution of person and a thing and a group of a time is called distributive adjective. It means that the word which show the distribution means विभाजन, distribution the person or a thing that taken from a group, it is called distributive adjective. To more clear, let's take example. In first example, take exercise every day means every day here represent the distribution. In second, each child has shown brightly. In second example, each refers to the distribution. So each, every, either, they all are the distributive adjective. And next, interrogative adjective. In interrogative adjective, when interrogative words ask a question and is followed by a noun, it is called an interrogative adjective. It means the word which is used to ask a question means वह शब्द जो प्रश्न पूछने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है उसे हम इंटेरोगेटिव एग्जेक्टिव कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, विच हाउस इज़ योर्स. विच इज़ द वर्ड विच इज़ यूज्ड फॉर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन. हुज बाइक इज़ लॉस्ट. हुज इज़ ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन. एंड वॉट order did the judge give. And here also what is used for asking a question. And next, possessive adjective. The words which show ownership or possession of a noun are called possessive adjective. Means the word which show the ownership of a noun is called a possessive adjective. Means the word which show the ownership is called a possessive adjective. For example, your room. Here the word your represent a ownership of the room. And second example, her bag. Here her is the word which represent the ownership of the bag. And in there is a note. My, his, her, you, its, their are possessive adjective. Mine, hers, theirs are possessive pronoun. When noun is not used after the possessive adjective, it becomes possessive pronoun. It means when noun is not used, जब नाउन नहीं यूज़ होता है पॉजिटिव एग्जेक्टिव के साथ, तब वह बन जाता है पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउन. फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस इज़ माय आइडिया. हेयर नाउन इज प्रेजेंट, सो दिस इज पॉजिटिव एग्जेक्टिव. दिस आइडिया इज माइन. हेयर noun is not present, so it is a possessive pronoun. And student, here is a exercise for you. In this exercise you have to use interrogative, possessive and distributive adjective. From these adjective you have to done your exercise. If you have any doubt in this exercise, you can message or text in the group. I will solve your problem. And next student, in we are we are going to discuss about demonstrative adjective. These adjectives point out or demonstrate the noun or the pronoun. It means the adjective, the word which point out the noun and the pronoun. For example, that lady, this boy, those oranges, these apples, such bats, etc. In first example, that lady means that point out the lady. In second example, this boy, point out the boy. This boy means वह लड़का. Note the following points. In this and that are used with singular noun. This and that are used with singular nouns. These and those are used with plural noun. And seventh part of the demonstrate. And next, seventh, proper adjectives. When proper noun is used as adjective form, then it is called proper adjective. When proper noun is used as adjective form, then it is called proper adjective. Proper adjective is used before a noun. For example, I am an Australian. This is the proper noun. I am an Australian officer. This is the proper adjective. And one special thing for proper adjective is that the proper adjective is start with capital letter. I hope you all understand. Now you have an exercise. In this exercise, you have to use demonstrative adjective to solve this exercise. I hope you all solve this exercise. And next is emphasizing adjective. Those adjectives which are used to emphasize our opinion about something are called emphasizing adjective. For example, he is a true leader. True refers to a opinion of the leader. The word which show the opinion, thought for the noun is called emphasizing adjective. For example, he is a true leader. It is a suitable day for playing. True and suitable are adjectives because they emphasize our opinion about something. Both the words are refers our opinion of something, so it is called a emphasizing adjective. And next is relative adjective. The word that the word what, which, and whose are classed as relative adjective when they are used with noun to relate clause. When what, which, and whose are used with noun is called relative adjective. Relative adjective is followed by the noun and its relate to clauses. Let's read some example. I meet the lady whose father was injured in the bomb blast last year. Here, whose shows the relation between noun. So, whose is the relative adjective. Mona is a girl whose sister Meera stood first in the class. Here, whose shows the relation between noun. So, here, whose is the relative adjective. And in the above sentences, whose in both sentences are relative adjective because same thing. In both cases, it is followed by the nouns father and sister. I told you earlier. It relates two clauses also. Hers Mona is a girl, and second is her sister Meera stood first in the class. And now your last exercise for this chapter is fill in the blanks with suitable adjective. You have used all the chapter what you have learned you have used in this exercise. So if you have any problem, you can text or message in the group. I will solve your problem and have a nice day. Bye bye student.